Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Here's an awesome brand new way that Uber and Lyft drivers can start making more money. All right, this is an easy way that you can start making $100 extra, $200 extra per month. So I'm gonna have the link below, but yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so today we are talking about Sweatcoin. This is an app that literally pays you to walk. And I know what you're thinking, well, if you're a driver, how are you gonna get paid? Well, look at this. They have awesome updates and even more ways to make money. So if you go here, it says it pays to walk. Over 60 million people have downloaded it. Walk more and earn more Sweatcoins. Spend it on the marketplace. Boost your daily activity. Receive daily bonuses, earning and rewards. Sweatcoin for good. 2 times speed, Apple Watch. So what you wanna do basically is as you're driving, my friends, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver, honestly, if you're doing Uber Eats or food delivery or even Instacart, you know, you're gonna be racking up a lot of money. So as an Uber driver, what you wanna do is start doing more Uber Eats orders. Why? Because when you get out of your car, what do you gotta do? You gotta walk to the store. You're gonna wanna start parking farther away because you're making more money with Sweatcoin. So sign up for Sweatcoin with the link below and use our referral code, and you gotta click the link on your phone and sign up for the app. And let me know how much money you start making. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye now.